Hey my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall.
Alright everyone, you don't know who this is already. This is the Skilla. Now I have a video to show you of a shootout that took place in Brooke Avenue. That's Brooke Avenue, St. Andrew, Jamaica, where in the result of it, 2 persons got shot. Now the following video is not suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised. Alright? Observe.
Why folks, them yard a little while I film some madman and a beer shot a lick, like a 1,000 shot lick, 100 shot lick a while, me say people are dead. You see it? So I go appreciate people are look there. People are look, people are going. People are look, people scared and people are going and people are running, people are all kind of shit. People are running. Ow. Ow. I will get shot. Wow. Wow. Lisa better get shot. Blood clot, more shot of fire, pussy clot. But you know the journalists I go through it. Journalists I go through it. Man. Blood clot, Lisa get shot too. She get shot too. Bomba clot. Girl get shot. Blood clot. See that when I carry that. Blood clot, pussy clot. Woo. How I go on? Bomba clot. How I go? What I run? Clot. Where I go on? Woo. I will be continuing this thing here. Lord Jesus. Trouble now.
Viewers and subscribers, this video has circulated social media for a while now, you see me, and it's about a shootout will actually take place in Brooke Avenue. That's Brooke Avenue, St. Andrew, Jamaica, you see me, that place that is near to Duhaney Park or Sherlock or so forth, you see me, off the Washington Boulevard, you see. There is no information in whatsoever about what could have really caused it, you see me. The only result from it is that, as you can see in the video, a lady got shot, and as you can hear that someone is either injured around you. So basically it's about 2 persons. You can hear them say get shot and so forth, you see me. But you don't know the thing already. Me only bring to you what I run on social media, nothing more, nothing less, you see me. So as always, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button, leave your comments and let me know what you think, and always read the comments for update on each post or each video that I make, you see me. My name is Skilla and this is the Dancehall Skilla ENT. Wanna big up on yourself, my people, you see it.